ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Baby, gotta hold her tight, gotta grab some afternoon delight. My motto's always been, no, what is right, while waiting for this morning in this cold dark night. When everything's a little clearer in the light of day, and we know the night is always gonna be anyway. Thinking of is working up my appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Rubbing sticks and stones together with the sparks ignite, and the thought of loving you is getting so excited. Sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight. Hey, afternoon delight. Hey, afternoon delight. Started out this morning feeling so polite. Always thought a fish could not be caught who wouldn't bite. But you got some baiting waiting, and I think I might try nibbling a little afternoon delight. Sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight. Hey, afternoon delight. Hey, afternoon delight. Yeah, no boy. Oh my God. Please be waiting for me, baby, when I come around. We can make a lot of love before the sun goes down. Thinking of is working up my appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Grabbing sticks and stones together when the sparks ignite, and the thought of loving you is getting so exciting. Sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight. Hey, afternoon delight. Hey, afternoon delight. Hey, 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 afternoon delight. Hey, 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 afternoon delight. Yo, okay. Yo. Right. Hello, everyone. Hello, Naga. Ito na naman po ang
No. We are not allowed to speak Tagalog.
No.
We are international.
No. Later.
What?
Later on daw.
Mamaya na.
Okay.
Because we are just welcoming everyone.
Okay.
Am I speaking
Why are you speaking English?
My God. Diyos maray na bang ginaga. Ayan. Uli na naman po kami ang Fork Barrel para sa saro na naman na episode kang Pushngak
Naga
okay. Live dito sa PBN TV5
and
simultaneous with
simulcast. Yeah. Continue.
DZ. Nariribong ako sa
DZ, okay.
DZ, okay. Ako po pala si June.
Yan. Ako man po si Bilog.
I'm Tonton.
Right.
Ayan. The bad boy.
Yeah. No.
The bad boy.
Yeah. No, the bad boy.
Yeah.
The bad boy.
Without D.
Ayan. Aratyan lang, iba ang satuya. Basketball na naman, pero...
Iba man.
Yan. Paano na iba ang basketball?
Mga babae naman yung... Women's basketball.
Oh my God. Basketball.
Okay. Right. At babalik pa po
ang Pusngak Naga.
Pusngak Naga, Pusngak Naga. Say what? Pusngak Naga, Pusngak Naga. Here we go now.
Pusngak Naga, Pusngak Naga,
Pusngak Naga,
Pusngak Naga.
Pusngak Naga, Pusngak Naga. Say what? Pusngak Naga, Pusngak Naga. Here we go now. Pusngak Naga,
kumpleto na naman.
Say what? Pusngak Naga, Pusngak Naga.
Kaseryosohan, haluan ng lokohan. Sabado night, kita-kits na naman. Uya na naman, puros ngakan. Jaraming-jaming magsurubahan. May kaiba pang karantahan.